What is going on, guys? So today is gonna be kind of sporadic, all over the place. First things first, we're gonna do something about this crap that's going on, and then we have to go to Michael and Aaron's shop, Thrashed Chassis. I have to give money to Aaron for the registration on the 240 because he's the one who takes care of that for me. And then also I'm gonna pick up a couple of their stickers, one to put on the 240 and one to put on the Jetta. So if you guys have any interest after seeing the stickers and you might want to buy one, click on the link down below. I'll post it. Go to their website. They're like $2, $5. Buy one, help them support their builds. And then we're going to take Caden to the park. There's a new park that Kelly found that she wants to go check out because that kid likes to climb on everything. So we're going to go do that. Then later in the afternoon, Robbie's going to come over and maybe Tyson, and we're going to start pulling the motor of the Jetta. So it's a lot of stuff to go down. I'll bring you guys along, and let's get to it. And of course the real struggle, me getting in the car. But anyways, like I said, now your boy is looking way better than it was. So I also forgot that today is actually game day. So for all you Philadelphia Eagles fans, let's hope by the time this is posted, we smash the shit out of the Falcons, aka my dad's team, and we're moving on to the next round. Because everyone seems to think that this is going to be our season finale. And I, even though we don't have Wentz, believe that deep down we're gonna smash these fools. Got Kelly here and Caden back there. What are you playing with, bud?
Race car. What else?
So let's go to the shop. Bam. You know that? Alright guys, so you guys just were able to check out the sticker. If you have any interest in buying one of those, go ahead and hit the link down in the description. Help these guys out. They're doing everything in-house, which is super cool. So if you have any curiosity on learning how to do stuff like bending and welding and fabrication, that's the way to do it. Learn with them. Now we're gonna go take the sleepy kid in the back and the wifey to the park so they can go swing on swings. And
yeah, your turn.
What do you think, Caden? You ready to go to the park?
If he makes it there.
If he makes it.
He's gonna pass out.
This one? Go ahead, go down. Go back. Here he comes. Yeah. So now, before I jump in the garage, I've just been watching the game, and I thought it was time that everybody else in the world got to see what us Eagles fans already knew was going to happen. Sorry, Dad. Wow, it's super bright. I feel like a YouTuber. Alright, so I got Tyson here. We wired into this badass light, and now we're gonna eat some chips. No, just kidding. We're gonna start pulling the rest of this motor apart for the VRT. If you guys haven't seen this car before, this is my brother's car. There's a link right here to a video we did when we seafoamed it. Long story short, this motor has always had a weird misfiring issue. We replaced the injectors, seafoamed the car, did the MSD ignition, pretty much tried everything to try to fix the misfire. but it did have a lot of miles on it. So when my brother did the turbo kit, it was kind of an experimental. If it blows, it blows. And well, it blew. So I'm gonna pull this motor out here within the next weekend or two, if not this weekend. And right over there, that's gonna go in. So since everyone bailed on us, me and Tyson are gonna start pulling it apart right now. Alright, so we've gotten decently far. We've been plugging away. It's kind of difficult too because we didn't put everything on. So kind of just seeing how things were routed by Rob and stuff like that. But anyways, so intercooler and stuff is down there. AC support and everything is over there. Rad support, electric fan. Factory fans? Factory fans. And so everything is pulled, power steering is drained, coolant is drained, oil is drained, wiring is all labeled and moved to the side. Fuel rail is moved up here, simply get just disconnected. Intercooler is all off, exhaust is unbolted, O2 sensors, all that bullshit. So all we pretty much got left to do is pull the axles,
pull the motor mount,
and the motor mounts.
Let this bitch out of here.
This bitch is coming out. So we kind of try to keep it somewhat organized-ish. We pretty much put all the bolts back, but this is all the miscellaneous bullshit, intercooler, piping, the one random intake manifold gasket. Rad support with my E-codes that I'm going to take from Rob's car and put on mine until his shit's done. And his bumper and stuff. So time to adjust the car so we can get that. So we don't have any chain, so this is what we're going to end up using. Just luck, but everything else is done. Tyson's not really actually that dirty. I'm not really that dirty. Our hands are, but usually my face is really dirty. It is kind of dirty, isn't it?
From when you're underneath.
Anyways, alright, so it's like 1 in the morning, or close to 1 in the morning, so.
It's 1 by now.
1 by now. So we're gonna pull this thing out. That way Rob can start swapping shit over tomorrow. And
While we're asleep.
yeah, basically. Long story short, that's gonna happen. So I figured to take advantage of it while Caden is sleeping, because that's gonna really slow down any progress I can do tomorrow. Get to it. Alright, so as you guys can see, the motor, turbo, all that stuff is out. The bay is clean. And that's pretty much it. That's gonna wrap it up. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I haven't really stayed up this late in a super long time. So that's gonna do it. Because now I gotta try to either edit it or I'll edit it tomorrow. One of the two. I don't know. So we out. Deuces.